Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope you all will be fine. Today I will discuss meiosis. So, formation of haploid cells is called meiosis. Some organisms reproduce by joining gametes to form the first cell of a new individual. The gametes are haploid, they contain one set of chromosomes. Imagine how the chromosome number would increase with each generation if chromosome reduction did not occur. Meiosis is a form of cell division that halves the number of chromosomes when forming specialized reproductive cells, such as gametes or spores. Meiosis involves two divisions of the nucleus, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Before meiosis begins, the DNA in the original cell is replicated. Thus, meiosis starts with homologous chromosomes. Recall that homologous chromosomes are similar in size, shape, and genetic content. The stages of meiosis are summarized. Step number 1, prophase 1. The chromosomes condense and the nuclear envelope breaks down. Homologous chromosomes pair along their length. Crossing over occur when portions of a chromatid on one homologous chromosome are broken and exchanged with the corresponding chromatid portions of the other homologous chromosome. So this is the prophase 1. Chromosomes become visible, the nuclear envelope breaks down, crossing over occurs. Let's look. This is prophase. This is the theory of prophase 1.